Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the in-app camera scanner. First, click Catalog with Photos, then create a new pod and give it a name. From here, we're going to click Individual, and we're going to add our starting number plus how we plan on scanning in, and then we will just go ahead and start scanning FNSKUs, ASINs, and UPCs. It works with all of the different types of barcodes. So you'll just pull it in, you'll scan different barcodes. Again, FNSKUs, UPCs, and ASINs. It won't scan just any custom barcode, as a barcode could be really anything. It can be your name. So these are all universal codes. Some are the FNSKUs from Amazon, some are ASINs from Amazon, others are UPCs, universal product codes. As you can see here, it quickly will scan the product and pull in a number of different stock images, as well as a title and a description on what the product actually is. So as we work through, you'll see just piling those items up and rolling through on my desk here. Pretty easy work bringing these items in. So scanning UPCs does all the dirty work for you. It's just about how to move those products, get them put away on the shelf to go really fast. You can manually enter barcodes as well. So I just scanned a barcode in there. There it is, the STEM ant trap. And then here's the other items that I've scanned in. So you can see it does a really good job of pulling in a number of stock images. You can also add photos. I'll show that on a different demo. If you wanted to add UPCs plus photos, you certainly can. All the item information populates at an individual level. You can populate the information, and then you'll hit Options Analyze. I just did that there, and you'll see that all the information will populate. So Options Analyze does this for you. You'll see it pulls in a plethora of data for you. You also have the ability to change your titles. So if you want to minimize your title down to 50 characters, you certainly can. See that there. And then what we'll do is we'll send it back to Listernaut for export to any platform. There you have it. Thanks for watching.